Have you guys been hearing about Temu? Like, everybody's talking about Temu. My bestie talk about use my code. So, I ordered some stuff from Temu. Let's go get those packages. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a Temu haul. Full disclosure, like until a couple months ago, I just found out about Temu. It just kind of appeared out of nowhere to me. Like, where did this site come from? It just like popped up out the blue, in my opinion. And recently, when I was back home, my coworkers were talking about Temu. My bestie was like, hey, here's my code. Like, if you do this, you do that, and we both get like points or something. And I was like, okay, people are actually using this. A little skeptical because, again, I feel like I heard about it 3 months ago and it just blew up and everybody and their grandma was talking about it. So, but people I know are actually using it. So I said, okay. Me personally, being that I am a YouTuber, a small content creator, I went through my inbox and I actually did have a little email from Temu about like a creator program that they had. So of course I was like, let me sign up for that. So I did that and I've selected a bunch of items, okay? I kind of focused the items that I chose on like home lifestyle type items, like no clothes, no beauty or anything like that. I wanted to try home products. So without any further ado, I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Everything that I show you all will be linked down in the description box. If you aren't familiar with Temu, I don't know how you aren't, but if you aren't familiar with them, I'll have links down below where you can sign up yourself, and yeah, I'll put any perks that you get on screen if you sign up with my link. I was a little skeptical, I'm not gonna lie, but hey, my friends say it's great, my coworkers say it's great, so let's see. 2 Temu packages. We can open the smaller one first. I'll also tell you all how much everything costs. Dang, they be really packing this stuff up, don't they? Like, you gotta really... Also, when I really started to notice that, like, even people in like my apartment building, like at one point there were so many orange bags and I was like, is that Temu? I said, dang, I'm skeptical and people over here not. Oh, I know exactly what this is. I'm actually excited about this thing though. So 2 items came in that package, I believe. So the first thing that I see is kind of big. You can kind of probably tell it's like gold. I like that the items come in little sleeves, kind of similar to a Shein. So that's cool. So here it is. Basically says it's a wine rack, which is exactly what it is. So it holds 2 wine glasses and a bottle of wine. I will insert a clip of this sitting on my dining area. I thought it was so cute, I couldn't pass it up. I don't think this was expensive at all. This was $8.19, so not bad at all. This is what it looks like. So it just holds a bottle of wine. I think this is where like the neck of the bottle goes. Cute. It's not that heavy, so I mean, it's not really a factor. Everything on my little dining area is kind of gold, so this will be really cute. So the next item that I have here is I don't know, these are the clear drawer organizers, 9-piece versatile table drawer organizers. So this is $10.99. My drawers are looking quite crazy. It needs some organization. It's like a scratch on this one. I don't know if y'all can see it. It's not terrible. Like, I'm not mad about it. I mean, it is what it is. So let me show you all the different sizes. Also comes in a 9 and an 18-piece, the largest one in the set. Silicone feet for the bottom of these, so they have spots where the silicone feet go. Next size we have is this, that is like the same length as this one. We have these 2 smaller ones. It makes 4 so far, and then you have a total of 5 of these little smaller square shaped ones, so 9 pieces. And again, this set was $10.99 for the 9 pieces. Moving on to the larger package, just gonna pull stuff out and see what I get. Okay, so we have, this must be like my electronic type stuff. So just because I did go ahead and order a, you can see it's like an extension, it's a power strip with USB ports. So yeah, 1-piece surge protector power strip. It's 4 feet long and this was $8.49, which is I think like a decent price for a power strip, especially one with USB ports on it. And I made sure to get a US one, like don't play. This looks like this. So this was really one of the miscellaneous purchases. It's literally just a power strip, but this is one where you can like hang it on the wall if you needed to. But let's see if it works. Okay, the light came on, so it does work. Should we plug something in here? This is my home cam. Definitely works. Okay, so the power strip does work. This I think was $6.49, and it is I think the 16 color changing sunset light projector. It's basically just like a little lamp, and you can see the box. There's like little pictures of, you know, like you can like change the colors in the room. Okay, it's in a lot of pieces. So you get like this remote with different colors on it. My room is pretty dark at night, and honestly I have blackout curtains, so after this video I'll go and insert what should be happening. I don't even know how to do this thing. Should I be screwing this on here? Because you gotta try out the products, right? Just don't know about this part. Like, how does this... Okay, it snaps in place. Okay. Tell me something, cause listen, I was just about to tell y'all this don't work. I don't know if it don't work, but the stand is not standing. So let's put it into the USB slot. Oh, it's already on? How you just gonna work out the package? Girl, I didn't even... It does not come with batteries. Or something. It looks colorful. Ooh, a little pink. Oh, you can see the reflection of my watch. Check out the clips. I do have batteries, so I will put the batteries in here. Let's see the next thing. So I think they kind of group similar type of items together. Oh, okay. Honestly, I really like that they group things together. So this is kind of like, I would consider this like kitchen type items. $1.69. It is a reusable non-stick oven mat. So basically it's a thick oven lined Teflon kitchen mat. I can put this into the oven and like, you know, just wash this and not like wash the pan, because I'm a girl that always use parchment paper. I will use parchment paper for literally everything. Okay, so that's why I got that. Now the next item is this, and this was just really cheap, and I think what it is, like you just shove all your plastic bags in here, and then at the bottom there's like a little mesh hole, and you can just like pull out one plastic bag. So this was 69 cents. You just hang this in like the utility closet and then just throw all the plastic bags in here. Now the next thing is something similar. This is a plastic bag holder. I thought this would be nice for like days when I'm cutting up fruit or just like cooking. You can hook this to your sink cabinet. You can put it inside or outside. So I mean, I think it'll be useful regardless of whatever I choose to do with it. Like this was 99 cents, kitchen hanging garbage bag holder. So that's that on that. Now the next thing is suction cup soap dish for bathroom or whatever, or for kitchen. These were $1.99 for two. So I think you add in this little part right here. Now me doing it wrong. And yeah, so now it has like the extra height to it. Yeah, that's much better. Thought these would be nice, different, you know, colors. So I'll probably put this one on the sink because my bathroom, I have a little theme going. So I'll probably put this one in the shower. Moving on. What's next? Okay, so I think there are about 3 items in here as well. I don't even know what this is. Hold on. I'm going to show this in a minute because I have to figure some stuff out. Okay. Oh, okay. So this is a little clock. I don't have a clock in my room, and I thought this would be nice. You know, you could just wake up and see what time it is. Let's use a USB cable. So, but it comes with a pretty decently long cord, which I'm happy about that. Like, how do you plug this in, girl? Okay. So you run this through the bottom. Okay, we can plug it in. See, this is why I bought this power strip, to show y'all this stuff. No, I really needed a power strip though. So now it is on. Comes with a little plastic. How do you set it? Oh, I don't know, girl. It's cute though. I'm gonna have to figure it out, but y'all will see it set up. Oh, it does come with instructions. We love instructions. They look like they in, okay, I'm about to say, where the English? Ah, I set it up. Okay, so I'll let y'all see what it looks like later when I put it in its spot. The next thing I bought was another kitchen related appliance, and this is just electric milk frother. Now I also like this for just stirring up coffee. When I stayed at an Airbnb for Friendsmas, they had like one of these. Ah, and it comes with a stand as well. That's nice. Frother was really cheap. It was only $3.49, and I had priced them on Amazon before, and they were way more than $3.49. Like, I would have been spending at least $7, $8. Doesn't come with batteries. How nice is that? I'm gonna put this on my little coffee drink bar. I will show you guys this product in action. Now back to this item here. I think this is like the hair organizer, like your hair accessories and things like that. I have a lot of scrunchies and just hair stuff, so I thought this would be kind of cool. Okay. I gotta figure it out. Like much now, but I will put it together and show y'all how it's supposed to go. I don't have the patience right now. Side note, I really like this. I think this was actually for like little kids, for like bows and barrettes or something. But girl, grown Tommie loves her a good scrunch, okay? You want you a little clip. Get you a little clip. You know, you want to elevate a ponytail. I want one of these ponytails with the little ribbon ends in there, okay? Oh, so this is easy. This is a floor mat, one-piece soft kitchen rug, flowers, cushion, anti-fatigue. This was $3.99. I just wanted something a little cuter for my kitchen, or at least just to go maybe on the stove. I don't know if I will actually replace what I have there, but I thought this would just, you know, a little cuter, have some pink in there, still match my pots and pans. It's just a little floor mat. Nothing fancy. The quality doesn't feel, you know, too extravagant or anything. I have a little squish to it, but nothing to like run home to mom about. But it's kind of large. If I can get the corners, it's nice though. I think I'll keep it though. I mean, I don't think I can beat that for $4. More stuff. What else do we have? Okay, so this is another item for my bedroom. Again, I told y'all this is the home haul. I don't know about y'all, but I stay with the box of tissue somewhere in my apartment. On my desk, I got a box of tissue. I have a box of tissue on my nightstand. So basically, this front part, you put the tissue in, and then it has these little back compartments, and you can store things on top as well. And honestly, I think this is just better because I always end up putting stuff on top of my tissue box anyway. So now, like, I have a space for more stuff. $5.89. Thought that was decent pricing. Another thing that I kind of got, oh, you ever like wash your face and you find yourself like the water's dripping down your arms, and the next thing you know, it's on your shirt. You know, it's just a whole ordeal. Kind of like little armbands. Yeah, I really do put a scrunchie on my wrist. Like, I always put a scrunchie on my wrist. So now these prevent the water from going down your arm. And it just also came with a little head wrap. Now, I don't really use this much unless I'm doing makeup, but I do like the idea. Love the color. Love the color. Something that I wanted just for me. Getting down to the nitty gritty. These are probably our last few things in this bag here. So I think I'm gonna put this in the bathroom. What this is, it's just like a little waterproof sink mat. So it kind of goes around your sink. Now I must say that the sink in my bathroom, the spout to me is so close. Like, it doesn't just go over the sink. It's kind of like close to like the edge of the sink as well. Like, even when I'm washing my hands, the water splashing to like the back of the sink. And it's the most annoying thing ever. So I thought getting a little mat for that area would make some things better. So it's like not just a complete wet mess back there. So it just, I hate that it has words on it. Like, I hate when they be putting all these random words like what? Lifetime to enjoy. What does that mean? What does that even mean? It has a mouse pad type of backing on it. But the design is cute. I hope it works. I don't know what this is. Now this is not what I was expecting. Now this is 6-piece transparent plastic square box. I have no clue. Maybe if I need to take like 50 rubber bands somewhere with me, that'd be good. I mean, I guess for earrings and things like that, you could put that in there as well. Maybe even backup contacts. I think you could fit maybe 2 pairs of contacts in here, like still in the box. I can see them being useful, but they're a lot smaller than I imagined. I knew the price was too good. Now, last but not least, okay, last but not least, I got an Apple Watch band. I just got a new Apple Watch, and it's one of the larger. It's even larger than the screen I had the first time. Nice band. I wonder, can you adjust this one? Yeah, so you can. Very nice rose gold band. We try it on. It's easy to adjust the bands on it, but I feel like it's hard to put on by yourself. I was able to put it on fine by myself, but taking it off is getting really annoying, and it's taking way too long. So I'm just gonna put it back on, snapped it back into place. I mean, it does look nice. It's very slender and dainty, but girl, you're gonna need somebody help to get this thing off, because the problem is I can unhook it just fine. I can unhook it, but to like get off the other ledge, not in my skill set right now. So yeah, that's everything that I got. A lot of stuff laying around me. Honestly, I just had a good time shopping. I had a good time unboxing. Some of these things I know will be very useful to me, like the milk frother. This I think is still my favorite piece. This is also a really nice piece as well that will be very functional for me. Alarm clock will just be functional and stationary, so at night I can always know what time it is. I'm pretty much liking everything. The only thing that I was a little shocked about the size was these little containers here, but that's nothing. I'm excited to put these things into use. You guys seen how I implemented them in my space already. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them down below. Also with Temu, you'll get free shipping and free returns. We love a free return, girl. We love a free return. If you use the link below to download the Temu app, you'll get a $100 coupon bundle. And if you use my code right here, FO97905, you'll get an extra 50% off at checkout. Use the code, girl. It's right here. What do you think of my haul? Have you ordered from Temu? Should I order some more stuff? My coworkers said they ordered clothes on Temu. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Again, links to everything that I showed will be in the description box along with prices. And without any further ado, I will see you all in the next video. Bye.